Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Dogecoin. It's a bit of a less positive video than yesterday, of course. Yesterday we were still, in the morning. Well, it was kind of mixed. Some coins were very bullish. Dogecoin was quite bullish because of what Elon Musk said, but also because meme coins in general were doing quite well. But what I said yesterday as well is that, well, if this move for Dogecoin, which it looked like, if it's only because, or if it's mostly because of what Elon Musk said, I'm not sure if we're going to be able to hold this breakout, because we broke out above this level between 18 and 18.5. So what I said is just wait for either 18 cents to break again, or for some sort of a big breakout above 19.5 and 20 cents, which ultimately, like this level, is going to break at some point of time. And if that breaks, we'll have a huge rally. But what we did is we dropped down below 18 cents, and now we're back in that same consolidation as we were in before, between 15.5 cents, but I would love to say that 15 cents also still counts as support, because it's a big psychological support level, and 18 and 18.5. And now on top of that, we drop back down into a consolidation instead of holding a bullish breakout. Bitcoin is also showing some bearish momentum, all right? And that has effects across the market. Also for Dogecoin, I assume at least. I haven't looked at the numbers, but you can see that the price is dropping down quite a bit. Yeah, if you look at this open interest, this is something you see across the board for cryptos, but we're just losing a lot of momentum. So it's not looking great. The main thing to wait for right now, I would say, is for Bitcoin to find some sort of support. And until then, we just have to wait. All right. Right now, there's major support at 66,000, but if we fail to gain some sort of a balance or bullish momentum from that, we'll easily drop down to 63 and 62,000 as well. So more bearish momentum is possible, and that also leads me to the possibility of Dogecoin getting a bearish breakout and potentially falling back down to 13 and 12.5 cents down here. So is that the end of the world? No, I would actually say that a level like 13 and 13.5 cents, that's a very strong level technically. And if you have the same ideas as me about Dogecoin long term, that's an amazing trade, I would say. Like that can easily 2-3x in a bull market, and that's well, that's not that much, but an easy 2x 3x is not something I would have anything against. But that's something we'll have to wait for. For right now, it seems like Bitcoin is still bearish, so that Dogecoin will also test support a bit lower towards 15, mostly 15.5 cents. And then the big question is can the open interest find some sort of support? That's the main thing to watch. And honestly, I cannot give you that information. The main thing you have to watch technically is that, all right, if Dogecoin falls down below towards 15 and 15.5 cents, we will find support. But can we also get a bullish breakout? Like, can we break back above 16 cents? If the answer is yes, then we'll just consolidate down here, and we're still fine for a little bit. But if the answer is no, then the open interest is probably also not finding any footing or any foundation. So then it's more likely that if we just retest off of 16 cents, then it's really most likely that we'll just continue to drop down towards 14.5 and potentially 13.5 cents. So yeah, that's the main thing. That's a difficult situation right now, because we really just have to wait for that reaction. If we can get a strong reaction and get some sort of confirmation from that, then we're fine. But if we don't, and Bitcoin starts falling below 66,000, Dogecoin is probably going to fall down lower as well. So keep an eye out, all right? But that's what you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.